Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're new here. In today's video, I am testing out the new Full Beat Blending Sponge Kit by Colourpop. I saw this when they released it and I was like, hi Winter. Just wanted to say hi. And I just had to have it and try it out. So this comes with a velvet sponge, a detail sponge, a hourglass sponge, a complexion sponge, and a silicone sponge. And the velvet sponge, it says, is a reusable microfiber sponge with the unique flocked velvet texture that creates a flawless airbrushed look. The detail brush, it says, a reusable blending sponge with a precision tip that effortlessly blends makeup under the eyes and fits in every contour of the face. The hourglass sponge, it says, the hourglass shape that fits comfortably in your hand and effortlessly blends product all over. The complexion sponge, sorry, it's like the reflection is making it hard to read. That effortlessly blends makeup into skin for flawless application. And the silicone sponge, all my hamsters out. The silicone sponge, which is the most interesting to me, a unique silicone core that minimizes product absorption and is perfect to use with full coverage foundation. Maybe I'll use full coverage foundation. I am going to try to use every sponge just so you get my honest opinion in this review. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so, the detail sponge I am going to use for concealer because I feel like that makes the most sense. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oop. I have not tested it out, obviously, yet. Been saving it for this video. They look so pretty and they're so colorful. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. I am going to take the silicone sponge and apply my foundation because it says that it doesn't soak up product, so, but it's just this one, little part, there you go, that little spot is the silicone. I don't know how well that will work. And then the complexion sponge has this kind of shape. The hourglass, obviously just an hourglass. The detail does have the pointed tip. And the velvet sponge is so interesting. It feels so weird. I am going to just apply my primer with just my fingertips because I don't think that I need a sponge. I've never used this before. So we're going to use this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage Full Concealer. I have not used this yet, so we'll see how it looks with the silicone sponge. I've opened it and swatched it. I just never actually used it. I'm just gonna, it's very thick, so I don't know if I like this, but we'll see. I put it in the back of my hand. I'm going to take this silicone sponge and just, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, I did not wet the sponge. Oh, good god. It gets really big, I will say. And the makeup came off of it really quickly. Okay, let's continue. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oops. Know if it I'm not really sure. But I feel like it did though. Like it looks like it did. I don't know. I kind of like it. I really do kind of like it. So we're gonna give this one a 9 out of 10. I liked it. I really did like it. I enjoyed that. And it made it not look too cakey. It does say that this is a good for like a eye tip. So I am going to do my concealer with it. It does get pretty big. Like that got pretty big. Wow. Okay. Let's do this. Wow, I do not like that sponge. Look how crazy I look. It took off all the foundation underneath my eyes. And it's not stiff enough. It is so just bouncy and ooh, I don't like that. See, look what it, oh no. We're gonna go back with just a little bit of foundation. Why? 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 It exposed all my redness. Can you see that? It exposed all the redness of my face. Not a fan of detail sponge. It's too fluffy. It's not stiff enough. I give this one a 4 out of 10. I don't like it. It's nice. It's big. It's soft, but no, I don't like it. I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery flour. See that you can get it. For my bronzer. So we're going to put the brush in, apply it to the face. And then blend it with the sponge. Little patchy. You can see right there. Maybe don't use this on your bronzer. Maybe use it for foundation. We're going to use the complexion one and wet it and see if that will make the bronzer better. Except for the velvet one, but I don't really know if you're supposed to wet that. So, I'm going to count that. But okay. Oh yeah, that definitely helps, for sure. I like that. You have these in the complexion sponge. Okay. Into this same palette and use this pink one because I love this blush. I put it in the favorites video because it's the best. Again, I don't want to ruin it with a wet thing. So we're going to take my trusty blush brush and apply the blush and then blend it with this. Ooh. I like how that blended it a lot. Fan of that, fan of that. Again, looks really good. I'm going to take my Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm actually going to take the velvet brush, the velvet one again, and see if anything happens. Ooh, that's a lot of product. I like how it applies highlighter. Like, I'm down for that. Okay, that finishes up the face. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows and my eye. I'm going to use this beautiful palette. This is the one that Kathleen Lights curated with Colourpop in the little empty palette. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful. So I'm going to use that. I always start with the crease shade. I want to kind of match my shirt and my earrings, you know, get that vibe. So I think I might go in with this shade right here. This is the shade Lay Low. Just going to dip my brush into that. Now I'm going to take the shade Pretty Cruel. This one right here. Now I'm going to take this shade right next to it. This is the shade Paradiso right here. And I'm going to put this just on the middle of my eyes. I don't know why, but this shade right here is calling my name. This is the shade Antimatter. I think I might put it on my lower or my right here. So we're going to do that now. like that. Wow. Okay. I am going to put a little bit of the blue on the outer corners of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to smudge the purple shade that's in the center of my lid. I'm using the shade Ringer as my highlights, brow and inner corner. Now I'm just going to finish the look off with some mascara. My tried and true. I'm getting like mermaid vibes. Y'all getting mermaid vibes? Gonna finish the look off with some mascara. My tried and true. I'm getting like mermaid vibes. Y'all getting mermaid vibes? Now we line the lips. And then I have this So Juicy gloss from Colourpop. I'm gonna put over it. That is the finished look. I really liked how it turned out. I'm getting like major like mermaid vibes. I really liked everything besides that detail one. If you did get the Colourpop sponges and you have tested them out, leave a comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. My favorite is probably the silicone or the hourglass one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!